And welcome back to Love Your Food. This week we have a very simple and quick recipe for you. This is Raita, which is basically a classic Indian condiment for their curries. We are using this with our cashew chicken curry that we made last week. Very simple, quick recipe. We're just going to start off with some ingredients. So we're starting off first with some yogurt. This is just plain full-fat yogurt. Some lemon juice, a couple of cardamom pods, some cucumber, and some onion. Now, you may remember from a few weeks ago when we did the cucumber salad, and we chopped the onion and the cucumber. We added a little bit of the hot pepper, and then we added some salt, and we gave it a good stir. What we're going to do is actually take some of this mixed cucumber and onion, once it's well combined in here, and we're going to set it aside in a strainer. Really what we're trying to do is we want to draw some of the moisture out of the vegetables here. So the additional salt will help season the final product, and it will also draw out some of the moisture, which will increase the shelf life of the Raita. So you can see a good amount of salt going on there. Chef Caleb's just going to salt those veggies. Give it a little stir, and then we're just going to leave this over a measuring cup here. We're just going to let some of the liquid drain out of the cucumber and onion. If you want, you can add this to the cucumber salad that we made. That's fine. We're going to toast our cardamom pods in just a dry pan. And then we're going to add the lemon juice. While that's going, we're going to add the lemon juice to the yogurt. So this is just plain full-fat, I believe this is Baltic yogurt. And very, very simple, not flavored, not vanilla or anything. You just want to make sure it's very, very plain. We're adding the lemon juice to this. So this is the full juice from half a lemon. You want to make sure you get as much as you can out of the lemon and out of the pulp in the strainer as well. And once you have that, we're just going to give this a good stir. Make sure it is all well combined. So Chef Caleb's going to just give that a little mix. And then we're going to just add the vegetables in as well. So these have drained a little bit. If you look in the background, you can probably see a little bit of liquid in the measuring cup beneath the strainer. And we just want to give that a good stir and make sure it's all well combined. So this is the onion, cucumber, and a little bit of hot chili pepper. Then we're going to toss in our nice toasty cardamom pods as well. Just wake up the flavor a little bit in the pan. Now, if you're going to serve this the same day, you do want to make it a few hours ahead to let the flavors come together and let that cardamom flavor sort of infuse the yogurt. Ideally, it is better if you make it the day before and let it sit overnight. So give it a good stir, make sure it's all well combined in there. And then now's a good time to give it a taste. Of course, it's not going to be the final flavor yet. It hasn't had time for the cardamom to infuse, but it does give you an idea of if it needs a little more salt, if you need to balance the lemon juice a little bit, but that's it. That's the whole thing. So you can see it here as a condiment on our cashew chicken curry from last week, and that's the whole thing. A really quick one this week. So if you like this recipe, please do like and subscribe. And if you have any recipes you'd like to see Chef Caleb try on the channel, please let us know in the comments below. And remember to love your food.